Today we will be practicing working the shuttle. First, let us open. And warm up with lifting water. Inhale up. Exhale down. Float. Sink. Like a wave, floating up, sinking down. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale. Exhale. Let the hands float up, holding the ball, rotating the ball. The left hand's on top this time, right hand on the bottom. Return to the left. Remember, ward off. Bottom hand goes up, top hand goes down, warding off. Working the shuttle is like this. Holding the ball, warding off, except we keep on going. The right hand flips up and goes overhead like we're opening a window. And then the bottom hand comes through and across. So we're 45 degrees on the other side. From here, let's just hold the ball, bring it down. Turn to the front. Turn to the other corner, working the shuttle. Holding the ball, bringing it down, turning. One hand blocks up, the other one pushes through. And we're going from side to side, from one corner to the other. And this is called working the shuttle. Because one hand is moving across like we are weaving. It moves from left to right, and then the other hand moves from right to left. Working the shuttle, left to right. Working the shuttle, right to left. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Breathing out. Inhale, holding the ball. Exhale, working the shuttle. Relax more. Flow. Shifting the weight to side, turning side to side, holding the ball, working the shuttle. So many small movements coordinated in. Inhale. Exhale. Now cross, separate, sink. Let's cool down with gathering Qi, relaxing from head to toe. If you feel safe, you can close your eyes and relax more and more. We're just circling up. Then the hands come down the front of the body, relaxing, stressing, circling up, sweeping the stress away. Inhale, up, exhale, and relax down. Now, if your eyes are closed, leave them closed and let the hands float down. We're going to come back slowly by rubbing our hands briskly to generate heat. Placing the hands over our eyes, warming up the eyes. And the eyes. Notice different sights, sounds, shapes, colors, smells, taste. Shift your weight to the right. Bring in the left. Thank you for joining me today.